Ang ating susunod na round, ang magtatanong sa inyo, Christian, Edward Yong, ay ang inyong mga ex-housemates. Sisimulan natin sa'yo, Christian.
Dati, nagkaroon tayo ng away dahil sinabi mo di ako nakikinig at matigas ang ulo. Pero ikaw, parati nanonominate ng housemates. Ibig sabihin may ugali kang nakikita ng housemates na hindi maganda. Bakit hindi mo nakuhang baguhin ito?
Hindi ko nabago. First off, ang dahilan ng pag-aaway natin, sa tingin mo ba yung nagawa mo is tama? Binuhusan mo ako ng tubig habang ako ay nagpapahinga. Tama ba ito? Okay. O ngayon, anong masasabi mo dahil hindi ako nagbago? Palagi naman ako na-nominate. Pero bakit yung ibang housemates, okay naman sa kanila, okay kami. Hindi mo ba naisip na ikaw rin ay na-evict na at ako yung nandito pa rin? Nagbago ako. Marami akong pagsubok na hinarap, nomination at ang pagsubok ng pakikitungo sa iba. At naharap ko naman ito at napagtagumpayan ko ito.
Babalikan ko lang yung sinabi ni Marco. Base sa tanong niya, lagi ka daw nanonominate dahil baka daw may ugali ka. May idea ka kung anong ugali yon na sinasabi niya?
Siguro po yun yung ugali kong totoo. Wala akong tinago, wala akong kinimkim, wala akong hindi sinasabi. Siguro hindi nila matanggap yung pagkakamali rin nila at binabantay nila ang pagkakamali ng iba. He was blinded with a particular girl.
What?
Gusto ko lang matanong, Christian, kung bakit hindi mo magawang mapatawad si Marco kasi matagal na yun nangyari.
Napatawad ko naman siya, pero gusto niya ibalik. Gusto niya ibalik, handa akong harapin.
Salamat, Christian. Meron ding ex-housemate na gusto magtanong sa'yo, Edward.
If I were still a housemate and I asked you to give up your big jump slot, would you do it for me?
Would I give up my big jump spot? I would say I would give up my big jump spot. But I would give up my big jump spot for anyone who needed it as much as Evan did. I said, if I had the chance to, Christian didn't have one. And you said, Edward, can you give up your big jump spot? Because I need to help my little sister. I would do that because come on, why would you not? Heaven, her mom is, she's not in the best state. She's gone through struggles. I can't say that I've gone through struggles like most of these, like the type that Christian's gone through, like Heaven's gone through. Like, I would give up my jump spot, yeah. For Heaven, I would do it. But if I had a chance to and Christian didn't have one, I'd do the same. Because that's the right thing to do. Because they need it more than I do.
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.